Monte Cristo using the leftovers from Thanksgiving? What? This part of collaboration created by Andy's Smoking Pot and involves other creatives, so I hope you enjoy.
So it's the day after Thanksgiving. It might be the weekend after Thanksgiving, which it is for me. What do you do with your leftovers? You don't want to eat the same old thing over and over and over again, so let's get creative. Anyway, I am going to do, hopefully you guys remember the Bennigan Monte Cristo. If not, you'll see it on my channel. I'll link it. So I'm going to take my leftover ham. I'm going to take my leftover turkey, and I'm going to put them together in a Monte Cristo sandwich. I only have Monterey Jack cheese, which is fine. I like the pepper in it, so we're going to go with that. And yeah, but the difference with the Bennigan style is you create a beer batter. Well, they didn't do a beer batter, but you know, it's me doing a beer batter. And you deep fry it, and it turns out a nice golden, delicious, cheesy masterpiece.
So I went to the grocery store and picked up a nice loaf of bread. This was a Old Country White, and so I decided to cut it into 3 equal slices, so I can have a triple decker. That's how you build these sandwiches, and at least that's how Bennigan's did them. So I want to go ahead and cut all 3 of these equal. And now we're going to assemble this. I have a secret to tell you. The kids and my wife ate all the good sized pieces of turkey left over, so I actually had to buy some turkey tenderloins and cut them up and use those. And it's breast meat. It's what I wanted to use, and I actually made a video before this that I screwed up, which I had some good stuff, but yeah, I'll put that in the end. You can see why I wasn't able to save the turkey that I was using. Anyway, so there's the turkey. Here goes my cheese. You can see those peppers in there. And we'll flip it over, and we just have to do the other side, which will consist of the ham, which I smoked it. I went ahead and put a nice bourbon, brown sugar, and and honey. Little glaze on it. It turned out really, really good. And then the cheese on there, and we're good. Okay, so we got. I know this is gonna sound weird, but I have a weakness. You look at me, you see nice blue eyes, all this mad Adonis body. You know, it's like, how can this guy have a weakness? Well, besides a back issue and heart issue and diabetes, besides that stuff. Anyway, clean wrap. Clean wrap is my issue. Always had trouble using it correctly. We're supposed to try to make this sandwich as tight. Hold up and handle the dredging part of this. And no, you don't dredge it, put this on. Just there. What did you get? Bad sandwich? You get 2 layers. Bad sandwich.
see what's this with. That's gonna be a badass sandwich. As Queen said, big bottom sandwiches make the world go round. Okay, this is gonna go in the fridge for 3 hours or overnight, depending on if you've got time. This is actually for me is going to be overnight because I won't be able to finish this till tomorrow. Okay, as I heat up my oil, start and get my batter going. Some flavoring here. Beer. Do it all at once. First pancake consistency. Pancake batter consistency.
Alright, let's get this wrapper off and see how this sandwich held up. And it's supposed to, I guess you get sandwiches that are kind of cold. They've been in a fridge all day. They hold together, especially with that cheese. So it's holding up. And as you will see from my fail, which I'm going to attach at the end in my outtake section, yeah, that's a whole lot better. See, look at that. Looking all one piece and nice and solid and looking pretty good. So let's get our dredging going. Okay, and this is the fun part. I'm wearing the glove because I have that nasty cut on that hand. I have the band-aid on, and we don't want that in there. And there we go. And when I did that, I spilled, well, not that one. Wait till you see the next one. I spilled oil all over the place. You can kind of see from that spin. I should have used the bigger pot. I was trying not to, didn't dirty up the big dishes, but yeah. Wife wasn't happy, and I had to clean that thing, and those grates are heavy. But look how those things look out. They're like giant dinosaur sandwiches now. And so we're going to go ahead and get us a nice little taste. Sandwich looks good. Look at those cranberries. I know that any smoking pot doesn't like those cranberries, but I do. A little powdered sugar, and just like I said, this is Bennigan's. So how they did it, I know you do it on the regular Monte Cristos also, but yeah, I'm going in. Look at that, I'm going in. And I'm going to take myself a nice bite, and as I take that bite, I realize I forgot to take the picture, so I'm going to have to try to piece it back together and make it look pretty. But it was good. It was good, and it was worth it. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Okay, it's the day after Thanksgiving. What do you do with all those leftovers? You wait till this plane passes, and you start again. The hell's going on with all these planes?